Okay, so now on to a quick tutorial on Google Slides. So we're back into the MyDrive dashboard, and we're going to click New, going into Google Slides. Same thing as before. You can use a template, or you can do a blank presentation. Google Slides, if you've used PowerPoint, same thing. Same concept, and which is great. Again, if you're going to try to get a lot of information out to people, are doing some type of seminar or just a brief to a group of people. PowerPoint or Google Slides is just a great tool to have. So it already has somewhat of a format, even if you change it using a blank document. So you got your slide here, just like you would, and well, actually, let's go back. Let's make sure you get our title in there. Again, I'm just using basic title, nothing very specific. It's just Google Slides. That's what we're working on right now. All right, so this would be our title slide, and when you click in the boxes, it's kind of preset for you to put anything you want in there. It has somewhat of a design to it. But you can change it however you want. So you don't have to keep it this way. You can shrink down your boxes. You can change the font with the tools up here, just like you would in any of the Microsoft software applications. So we have the font here. You change it. Just Comic Sans. We can make it bigger. 72. See if it'll fit in there. Yeah. So we can change it, do what we want with it. We can also move it around if we need to. If we want to move the box around, we can move it and position it anywhere we want. All right. So besides putting in the main information here, you can change colors, put fading in and out. We can also add speaker notes here. That way, so when you print it out and you print it out with the speaker notes, this will come up with it. So that way you have something to go by other than the slide. Let's say if you're giving a presentation and you want these slides because you're only putting bullet points on the slides. If there's some more information that you want to give in addition to the bullet points, you'll have it down here. So you have, when you do a special printout, you can have those notes for yourself. So the viewers won't see it, but you'll have it in your printouts, and you can go over it whenever you're giving your PowerPoint or your slide presentation. And that's really it. Like I said, you can insert images, videos, whatever you want. You can have hyperlinks in it. It's just like really using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word, Excel, as well as PowerPoint, and then just like using Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slide. Basically the tools are almost all the same. So once you know one, you can work your way to the other, and you just keep on putting as many slides as you want. So we hit this here plus, and then that just gives us a new slide. So now we're on the second slide, and then this is typically the format. You have your title slide, and now you're going to go to slide 2, which when you put slide 2, you just put your first topic point, and then you would add all the different topics, topic points, and just all the little things you want to go over. Typically in PowerPoint presentations, we like to put bullet points. Put things in bullet point. It's a little bit easier to see and gets us away from putting long sentences or paragraphs, because that's not what we want to see in PowerPoint. We want to be brief, using short sentences, typically bullet pointed. So it's things that are more taglines that reminds us that we need to go over them. It's not all information that we typically give. We don't read PowerPoints. We just use it as kind of a go by. And that's about it. Again, we talked about comments, and we talked about sharing it out. Again, great important tools when collaborating and putting PowerPoints together with a group of people. And then you can do the presentation here. So when you click the presentation, it's going to load up our PowerPoint, and we'll see there's our slides. So we'll see it just how they would whenever we do an actual slideshow. And that is it. That's what we got for Google Slides. Hope that helps everybody. Thanks.